We just spoke about the challenges that e-commerce portals face. In this video, let's try to fix up some of the privacy mistakes so that they can strengthen their compliance. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you see new content on data privacy on a daily basis, and as I said, let's try and fix up some of the privacy mistakes that e-commerce portals make. What are those mistakes? They do not have a well-structured privacy notice. New thing for them, right? Specific notice to talk about how personal data would be handled has to be very well articulated, easily accessible, readable, not in the sense that it should be clear on the screen, but also in the sense that they can understand it very well. No technical or legal jargons. No excessive collection of data. We in business think the more data we have with the customer, the better it is. We can market our products tomorrow. But if collecting too much of data creates a privacy risk, then what are we going to market to him after the breach? Weak data security. Are we prone or are we safe to the cyber attacks that are possible? Are we keeping our data encrypted? Do we take backups? Consent mechanism. Again, it's an open-ended thing. Many organizations still pick up a privacy notice and a consent and they put everything on the same page. Indian DPDP Act says consent has to be granular, and with every point of consent you need to mention what are you going to deliver against this particular consent. So e-commerce needs to be very clear that they develop this properly and they have no opt-out mechanism for marketing communications. Very important. I want to buy your product every day or buy a product from your portal every day, but I don't want emails to come to me unnecessarily, right? So I should have an option to opt out, which is also called right to withdraw consent from your portal. What are the best practices that they should follow? Use a very clear and transparent privacy policy. Privacy policy is the document that helps internally. Make your own team understand what is your commitment towards the customer. So have a clear and transparent privacy policy. Privacy notices, as I mentioned in the previous slide, should be easily accessible, easily readable and understandable. You should take an explicit consent from your customers that you are going to use their information, their personal information for marketing, what kind of marketing, and if they don't want that, you should on your portal always make available a provision for consent withdrawal. In fact, all the rights should be very importantly put on portal, because if I change my address, then I should have an option to go on the portal and make corrections myself. So that's my right to access my personal information and my right to rectify my personal information, that both of them being a right as per the GDPR and DPDP Act, along with the provision for me to withdraw my consent. You should provide a granular consent form and strengthen security, firewalls, encryption. These should be very well done. It should not be just done for the sake of time. And last but not the least, privacy audits are very important. For high-stake businesses like e-commerce, privacy audit practice should be regularized and they should be conducted on a regular basis. So that's about fixing privacy mistakes and helping them strengthen their compliance in respect to e-commerce. I hope you like the content of my video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.